Now I'm going to walk you through the entire G1 written test process. First, you arrive at any DriveTest Center without an appointment, as long as it's before 4 o'clock p.m. Appointments are required only for 2 locations, Toronto Metro East and Brampton DriveTest Center. Second, you submit your documents, either a work permit, permanent resident card, or passport. Third, you walk forward to the screen area and wait for your number to appear on the monitor. Once your number shows up, go to the desk attendant. Fourth, you provide your documents again. Choose the language for the test, make the payment, and take the eye exam right there. You will look into a vision testing machine and say the letters you see on the left and right. At the end of this step, you will receive a set of documents. Fifth, you go straight to the test room. You'll be assigned a computer number and take your seat. There is no time limit. The test has 20 road sign questions and 20 rules questions. You're allowed only 4 mistakes in each section. At the end, the result will appear right on the screen. You'll know immediately if you passed. An administrator will then call your name, ask for your first name, last name, and date of birth, and congratulate you if you passed. Sixth, about 2 weeks later, you'll receive your G1 driver's license in the mail. Good luck, you got this, you're smart and you can do it. You know what? You're gonna pass that test. You're just gonna walk in and do it, 'cause you're awesome, bro.